3,600-year-old shipwreck uncovered could be the oldest ever found in the Mediterranean. A team of marine archaeologists had uncovered a 3,600-year-old shipwreck in the Mediterranean, just off the coast of Antalya, Turkey. The ship, believed to have been a merchant vessel sailing from Cyprus, may be the oldest ever discovered, according to Haaretz. The wreck was discovered by a team of archaeologists, led by Professor Hakan Onitz, from Akdeniz University, Turkey. Based on its position and the large cargo of copper ingots found inside and around the wreck, it is likely to have been used as a trading ship, ferrying goods from Cyprus to the Aegean region. Although the ship is in very poor condition, and the hull had been almost completely destroyed, the bulk of the ship, together with its precious cargo, has survived, making this a remarkable and extremely rare find. According to an article published in the journal Palestine Exploration Quarterly, the team discovered 73 copper ingots inside the wreck, weighing about 1.5 tons. This immense supply of copper was shaped into pillow-like ingots, characteristic of the Late Bronze Age. The shape of the ingots allowed Onitz to date the wreckage to before 1400 BC, as from this point onwards, copper was transported as oxide ingots, with a particular and distinctive shape. If correct, this dating means the ship is the oldest wreck ever to be found in the Mediterranean, even older than the famous Uluburun shipwreck, found near Kos in southwestern Turkey. Although finds have been salvaged from older wrecks off the coast of Greece, this is potentially the oldest wreck where the ship itself, and not simply its contents, had survived. According to Onitz, the ship shared the fate of many other Mediterranean vessels in antiquity. In order to facilitate navigation, merchant ships would stay close to the coastline. However, this meant that they could easily be driven onto treacherous coastal rocks, particularly in bad weather. Onitz suggests that it is likely that the ship met with a violent storm, although it may have been a victim of war or piracy. Copper was an extremely important and valuable commodity in the Late Bronze Age, and Onitz speculates that the ship could have been traveling to one of a number of destinations in eastern Mediterranean, including Mycenae, Troy, or other important settlements where copper was in high demand for use in weapons manufacture. Other shipwrecks discovered off the coast of Turkey, dating to the Late Bronze Age, have also been found carrying large amounts of copper, and isotope analysis has shown that it was usually mined on the island of Cyprus. Although the ingots from the latest discovery had not yet been analyzed, it is reasonable, due to its position and shape of the copper ingots that it was carrying, to assume that it too was traveling from Cyprus to other destinations in the Mediterranean. In order to avoid any damage to this important and immensely fragile structure, nothing has yet been removed from the site. Instead, according to Haaretz, the team carefully observed and documented the cargo that had been distributed around the site, and then used sonar scanning technology to study the wreck in detail. The analysis showed that more cargo and part of the ship are buried beneath the seabed, which lies around 50 meters or 150 feet below sea level. Onitz and his team are excited about the next stages of their research. According to Haaretz, they hope to raise funding that will allow them to excavate parts of the ship and its contents, and use carbon dating techniques to verify its age. A find of this rarity offers archaeologists a unique insight into Bronze Age maritime traditions, commerce, and seafaring technology, and therefore has the capacity to tell us a great deal about the people and societies that traveled the Mediterranean in the 16th century BC. One thing is certain: this ancient ship holds many more secrets, just waiting to be discovered.